What's good, family? It's your brother, Chef Abdul, and today we're back with another video. Guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make a steak gyro. Woo! That bite is for you. Alright, family, so you already know the full recipe is below. Come along and cook with me. This meal is so budget friendly. Under $10, guys. These mushrooms only cost me $2.59, and the pita bread cost me only $1.54. Peppers, onions, $1.29. So this whole meal came out to about $8.45. Hey family, did you know that mushrooms are an important ingredient for vegans? They are a great source of nutrients, including protein, fiber, and vitamins such as B vitamins, selenium, and potassium. They are also low in calories and fat, making them a healthy addition to any vegan diet. In addition to their nutritional value, mushrooms are a versatile food that can be used in a variety of dishes like this one. You can grill it, saute it, roast it, whatever you like. And it's budget friendly and it grows everywhere. If my video is bringing you value, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will be the first to say I couldn't stand portobello mushrooms, but after doing this technique, guys, let me tell you something. Look how delicious this looks. All you have to do is put it in the air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so I know you guys are wondering, what is this? This is some butter, infused butter. All right, guys, I won't mention what it is, but you know what it is. All right, so I added about 2 teaspoons of this butter because the other time I added too much and it wasn't a good thing, if you know what I mean. So now I'm gonna add in my vegetables so I could saute it in this butter. I did add a little bit of some olive oil as well for flavor. So we're gonna saute the babies, and now we're gonna add in our fried mushroom, which came out like steak, guys. Look at how delicious this looks. I already have my jerk sauce marinated on the side. I'm gonna add that in so it can give it that color that it needs to mimic steak. Look, I'm not just saying it because I'm making it. This is delicious, guys. You got to make that sauce. The full recipe is below. Look at how flavorful this is, guys. Now we're gonna make our gyro. You can't forget the gyro without this sauce, guys. You have to make the sauce in order for it to have that taste and that flavor. All right.